Hey there, fellow pet lovers. Did you know that during the travel season, thousands of pets are left behind? It's a heartbreaking reality. Because many families are unprepared for the challenges of traveling with their furry friends. But that stops today. Join us as we explore how to make traveling with your pet a joyful, stress-free experience. We'll cover everything from prepping for the journey to ensuring your pet's comfort every step of the way. Let's turn that frown upside down and make some incredible memories together. More and more people are realizing that adventures are better shared, especially with our four-legged family members. Traveling with pets isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle shift that brings countless rewards. Imagine exploring scenic hiking trails, relaxing on pet-friendly beaches, or simply enjoying the open road, all with your best buddy by your side. But let's be real, traveling with pets requires planning and preparation. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed for a smooth and enjoyable experience for both of you. So, buckle up, grab your leashes, and get ready for an exciting ride. Life's better with pets. Traveling with pets is skyrocketing. Airlines and hotels are embracing our four-legged companions. We see them as family and want them by our side. Traveling with pets reduces stress and increases activity. Join the growing movement of pet parents prioritizing shared experiences. I don't have to tell you, traveling with our fur friends makes the world a better. They're the ultimate travel buddies, always up for an adventure and down to cuddle after a long day of exploring. Pets bring a unique and irreplaceable dynamic to any trip. They encourage us to slow down, live in the moment, and appreciate the simple joys of discovering new sights, smells, and sounds. Traveling with pets also opens up opportunities to connect with other animal lovers, creating instant bonds and fostering a sense of community. Traveling with pets isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey and the memories you create. Strengthen the bond you share with your pet. Imagine watching your dog splash in the waves or your cat gazing at a majestic mountain range. These moments make traveling with pets special. With planning and preparation, explore countless pet-friendly destinations. Pack your bags, grab your leashes, and embark on unforgettable journeys. All right, adventure awaits. Before you hit the road, let's lay the groundwork for a stress-free trip. Consider your pet's needs and personality. Is your canine companion a seasoned hiker or a beach bum? Choose a destination that aligns with their temperament. Map out pet-friendly rest stops and parks. Ensure your pet's vaccinations are up to date. Packing for your pet is just as important as packing for yourself. Think of it as creating a home away from home for your furry companion. Start with the essentials: food, water, bowls, medications, and of course their favorite toys and blanket. Familiar scents and objects from home will help them feel safe and secure in new environments. Packing for all types of weather is crucial. Bring along a sweater for chilly evenings, a raincoat for unexpected showers, and a life vest if water adventures are on the agenda. Don't underestimate the power of entertainment. Pack a variety of toys to keep your pet stimulated and engaged throughout the journey. Safety should always be your top priority when traveling with pets. Just like we buckle up, it's crucial to secure our furry co-pilots for a safe and comfortable journey. For car travel, invest in a sturdy, well-ventilated carrier or crate that's the appropriate size for your pet. Secure the carrier in the back seat using a seatbelt or cargo anchor to prevent it from moving during transit. If your pet prefers to ride shotgun, consider a dog car harness that attaches to the seatbelt. No matter the mode of transport, never leave your pet unattended in a parked vehicle, especially in extreme weather conditions. Temperatures inside a car can quickly become life-threatening, even on a mild day. Let's face it, travel can be stressful for anyone, even our four-legged friends. Recognizing the signs of travel anxiety in your pet is the first step to addressing it. Is your usually playful pup suddenly clingy and whining? Is your adventurous feline hiding and refusing to eat? These could be signs that your pet is feeling anxious about the upcoming trip. Changes in routine, unfamiliar environments, and loud noises can trigger anxiety in pets. It's essential to approach the situation with patience, understanding, and a toolbox full of calming techniques. Remember, a calm and confident pet parent translates to a calmer pet. Choosing the right mode of transport for your pet can make or break your travel experience. Each method comes with its own set of considerations. Air travel requires meticulous planning. Train travel offers a grounded experience. Road trips offer flexibility but need frequent stops. Prioritize your pet's comfort and safety. Finding home away from home pet-friendly accommodations. Gone are the days of sneaking your furry friend into hotels. The hospitality industry is embracing the pet travel boom, with a growing number of accommodations welcoming pets with open arms. When booking a hotel, resort, or vacation rental, look for clear pet-friendly policies. Pay attention to any restrictions on pet size, breed, or the number of pets allowed. Some establishments go above and beyond, offering designated pet areas, walking services, and even gourmet pet menus. A touch of home can go a long way in easing anxiety and ensuring a pleasant stay for your furry companion. Turning challenges into tail wags. Expert tips for a smooth journey. Equip yourself with expert tips to transform challenges into tail wags. Gradually acclimate your pet to their carrier well in advance. Associate the carrier with positive experiences like treats and toys. Consult your vet about medication for motion sickness. Implement these tips for a stress-free trip with your furry friend. Carrier confidence, creating a safe haven. Remember that carrier we talked about? It's not just a travel tool, it's your pet's home away from home. The key is to make it feel that way. Safe, positive, and maybe even a little bit exciting. Start by introducing the carrier weeks before your trip. Leave it open in a familiar room, allowing your pet to explore it at their own pace. Toss in treats, toys, or a cozy blanket to create positive associations. Gradually increase the amount of time they spend inside, rewarding them with praise and treats for calm behavior. For car travel, secure the carrier with a seatbelt or cargo anchor, ensuring it doesn't slide or tip over. Choosing the right destination can make all the difference in your pet's travel experience. Thankfully, the world is becoming increasingly pet-friendly, with countless options for every type of adventure. Do your research. Look for destinations with ample green spaces, pet-friendly parks, and off-leash dog areas. Many beaches welcome furry friends during specific hours or seasons. Consider your pet's personality and preferences. A nature-loving pup might thrive on hiking trails, while a social butterfly might prefer dog-friendly cafes and patios. Websites and apps dedicated to pet travel can be invaluable resources during your planning process. Even with meticulous planning, some pets may experience anxiety during travel. Remember, you are your pet's rock, and your calm energy can work wonders in easing their worries. Maintain a consistent routine as much as possible, sticking to familiar feeding times, walk schedules, and bedtime rituals. Predictability fosters a sense of security. Bring along familiar items from home, such as your pet's bed, blanket, and favorite toys. Familiar scents and objects provide a sense of comfort and security in unfamiliar environments. Your presence and attention can make all the difference in reducing stress. While many tips apply to both cats and dogs, cats are often more sensitive to change and may find travel stressful. Create a secure space for them within their carrier. Dogs, on the other hand, might be excited about the adventure. They need consistent routines and frequent potty breaks. Patience, understanding, and love ensure a positive travel experience. As we've explored traveling with pets, the shared experiences, the laughter, the unconditional love, these weave an unbreakable bond. Imagine experiencing new places through your pet's eyes. Fresh scents on a mountain trail, playful waves at their paws, cozy nights in a new city. Every car ride, every hike, every sunset shared strengthens our bond. Away from routines, we appreciate the joy they bring. You're not just creating travel memories, you're enriching your bond. The world is brimming with pet-friendly destinations. From coast to coast, countless adventures await you and your furry co-pilot. With careful planning, traveling with your pet can be rewarding. Pack your bags, grab your leashes, and embrace the open road. Happy travels, and may your journeys be filled with joy. Share your tales of adventure. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the conversation doesn't end here. We want to hear from you. What are your tried and true tips for stress-free pet travel? Share your stories, tips, and favorite pet-friendly destinations in the comments below. Let's create a community of pet-loving adventurers, all supporting each other on the journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more Paw-some pet travel tips, destination guides, and heartwarming stories. Until next time, happy travels and happy tales!